Not changing your furnace filter is like not using soap when you wash your hands. There's multiple aspects of your home that are affected by not changing your furnace filter. And first and foremost is your air quality. Your air quality is what affects your breathing, and if you have asthma, you'll notice that the air quality is diminished quite a bit as your filter gets dirty. Changing your air filter will actually help you with the dust that blows around your house, so your cleaning will be lessened. Also, your air filter has an important part of keeping the dirt and debris away from your furnace. As your filter gets plugged, it actually bypasses that dirt and debris, and it will actually clog the motor on your furnace. And as your blower motor harder and harder, it actually takes the life expectancy of that furnace, or that blower motor at least, and might even cause it to be half of what that normal life expectancy of the furnace would be. So there's a lot of aspects of changing the simple thing as a furnace filter that will help your furnace and help your life and the quality of life that you live in your home. Not changing your filter is like not washing your hands.
No, I just said something.
It's worse when it's pointed right. Not changing your filter is like not using soap. Not changing your filter is like not using soap after you wash your hands. After